What is your best risk strategy? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs. I'm excited that today we have our September webinar in cooperation between BridgehouseLaw and the German-American Business Association. At this webinar today, I will be presenting and talk about product liability defense strategies. We all know a defective product may kill, and it may also kill your business. So our best advice is to be safe for your consumers, for your customers, and also for your industry by implementing a couple of tangible strategies. Number one, make sure the product is safely designed. It is based on the state of the art. Number two, make sure the product is manufactured correctly, as in you have your quality controls, you have your x-rays or whatever it takes to make sure the product is safe. And finally, make sure the product has all the right labels, all the right warning, all the right things to make sure the product is properly used. If you follow this, you should be okay. However, if you want to know more, join our webinar, or if you are getting this information a little bit too late, the information will be out on the internet, and we're happy to send you the links so you can look it up at your leisure. In the meantime, stay healthy.